Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Lindsey Duz It, and I'm here with a hotel room review. Today I'm staying at the Park Avenue View room, 2-queen room at the New York. I lucked out and actually got a really good room. I am in the Chrysler Tower, room 3375. So let's go ahead and give you a quick little tour. Let's go ahead and just walk through this room. It's a compact room. It's not huge at all, but it is enough. I don't know about you, but this is definitely enough for me, considering I'm just one person and I have an extra bed, which is nice. So we have our little entertainment center here, flat screen TV, and some really cool wood detailing on the TV stand. It's pretty dope. And let's see, here we have a little nightstand lamp situation. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to sleep in this bed because it's facing the best view. But anyhow, let's go ahead and go to the bathroom before I forget. So when you enter the room, you look to your left and the bathroom is right here. It's a pretty modest bathroom. I think it's a good amount of space, not too bad. We have some good counter space here. Let me go ahead and zoom out. Good counter space, huge mirror. We have a nice little vanity mirror here to do your makeup, like your eyebrows or whatnot. For men, if you want to trim your beard, and yeah, you could do it with this mirror. We have the hair dryer, you know, standard hair dryer in the hotel. Now check out this shower situation. This might not be everybody's cup of tea, but I don't mind it. It's like a tub shower combo with a sliding glass door, some nice little gray marble tile in the back there, and yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed my review, and yeah, let me know down in the comments what you think about this room. Until next time, y'all, see you later.